Hey, welcome back to our channel, where we provide everything you should know about your health. We live in a world of convenience. A quick drink to quench our thirst, a fast snack to fight off hunger. It's easy, it's everywhere, and it's become normal. But what if it is quietly fueling a silent global epidemic that lives on our plates and bottles? This is the story of type 2 diabetes. Here's the deal. When you eat, food breaks down into sugar, glucose, which fuels your cells. Insulin acts like a key, unlocking the doors so sugar can get into the cells. In a healthy body, insulin unlocks the cell doors, sugar enters, and you get energy. But with type 2 diabetes, insulin no longer works as it should, and sugar can't get in. It gets stuck outside, building up in your bloodstream and causing damage to your heart, kidneys, eyes, and nerves. Although family history and genetics are risk factors, there are two major culprits found in your diet. First is sugary drinks, sodas, packaged juices, sweet teas, etc. Second is processed foods, instant noodles, pastries, fast food, etc. They deliver a massive amount of sugar directly into your bloodstream. In response, your body releases a large amount of insulin to cope, and over time, the system becomes exhausted. The symptoms often develop slowly and can be mild. Watch out for fatigue, increased thirst, excessive hunger, unexplained weight changes, and slow healing sores. To prevent this, choose water instead of sugary drinks. Add whole foods, fruits, veggies, and grains to your meals. Avoid sugary drinks and processed foods. Exercise regularly, even a little, every day. The food industry may shape our environment, but we have to control our future. Your health is in your hands. Thank you for watching. Let us know your thoughts and questions in the comments. Please like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.